Chachum. Do you know who is unicorn? Okay. No? Okay. So, imagine a horse. How many have you seen a horse? Oh. But unicorn is not only a horse. It is not just any horse. Unicorn is a special horse with a long horn on it forehead, like a magical horn. And guess what? It's not just any horn. It's said to have magical powers. Do you know what is a magical power? Yes, which we can do super magics. And you know what? Some people says unicorn can heal boo-boos and make wishes come true. They are also super colorful, like a rainbow. How many have you seen a rainbow? Oh, so many. Very good. So, unicorn is also filled with different colors. And it's a friendly creature. Kind like a big sparkle friend from fairy tale. The stories which is related to fairy tales like angels and all. Isn't it cool? Yes? See, now the unicorn is getting colorful with pink, purple, white. Now what next? What next? Oh, lightish pink. You can call it a baby pink color. Isn't it looking good? So it is very easy to draw unicorn. Yes? You can also try this at your home and make a beautiful picture of unicorn. So if you like my video, do subscribe my channel and like the video and wait for more videos like this. Bye-bye. I am full with colors, unicorn. Bye.